Okay, sometimes very unexpected things happen when you do campaigns like this on the ground. Today is 19th June, second Friday public transport day. We've been here all day, Ashwarya, with all of us at the metro station. But this guy just walked in and I wanted to find out how he came to know about it. And turns out he is Mr. Yash. Yash is originally from Navi Mumbai, and then he went off to Delhi to do a PhD in transport policy, no less, at the TERI. 3 days back, he got a message that said there is something called Friday Public Transport Day. And then what did you do, Yash, after that?
Yeah, so I decided to come here and talk to other
You
people.
joined the volunteer group.
Yes, I joined the WhatsApp group. I was added to the group and then I came for this. So basically today there is also the strike of the best. So today it was not easy to come here because I wanted to come by public transport, particularly buses. But because of the best strike, I could not get buses. I had to take one share taxi and one share rickshaw to reach here. But I wanted to see what is the situation of transport and I wanted to understand people's perspectives about transport. That is my research area and yeah, this is a a problem which has many aspects and we need to focus on all those aspects.
And what do you think about this kind of initiative being led by government agencies along with corporates of BKC and research organizations like WRI and Walking Project and BKC News Collective? What are your thoughts on so many different types of people coming together?
Yes, so there is a genuine lack of public transport in Mumbai. There is a lack of buses. There are many problems in buses. Metros cannot be sufficient as well. So although that is one issue, but the people's habits also are important. People need to understand that they should take the efforts to use public transport. If we are to solve the problems of traffic congestion, noise pollution, air pollution, heat, then it is crucial to reduce the number of private vehicles on the roads. And the use of private vehicles is especially from the middle class, upper middle class people, the office goers. So in an area like BKC, I think if we want to relieve this congestion problem, it is important. This campaign is one of the important things that needs to be done to solve the transport problem in the city.
And do you think that behavior change initiatives like this, where all companies send mails to their employees, use public transport on Friday, senior government officials also use public transport and they're welcomed at the metro stations, eventually do you think that these things will lead to policy changes?
They will give a push in the direction of policy changes. Firstly, it is the mentality change because it's not like public transport is only for poor people. It is important for everyone to shift to public transport the way it is in developed countries and cities. And once these sections, these elite or these well-to-do sections shift to public transport, it will also have an impact on the policy. So I think it's quite a good initiative.
Any words about on the government agencies supporting this initiative?
The government agencies like MMRDA and even the non-profit organizations that are involved in this. I think it's important for all of these organizations to come together. We cannot solve any problem without cooperation. That is important. So an initiative from Prime Minister's message to use public transport right to the MMRDA taking initiatives in that direction are very important. However, it must not stop only at promoting public transport. It needs a policy change and I hope that the bus workers issue is also resolved so that people get to use buses without problems.
We all hope for that and thank you so much. Last question. Do you think there will be a lot of transport students looking at the Friday public transport, looking to study what happened on these Fridays? How are people reacting to it? What kind of thing is leading? Will it be a subject of interest to TERI or your other colleagues and fraternity in the Transport Academy?
Yes, it could be a good case study to see how we can promote public transport use among the office-going population, and that can help in policy analysis.
We hope you take this message back to TERI and all the transport researchers of
Sure.
India. Thank you very much
Thank you.
for coming all the way from Navi Mumbai. Thank you.
Thank you.